Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing firm white fish and portioning it into 1 2-inch pieces. This size holds up during stewing. Once cut, pat the fish dry to promote browning, then marinate briefly with salt, pepper, and lemon to flavor the core. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil until shimmering and sear the fish 1-2 minutes per side to develop a light crust. This step locks texture and adds Maillard flavor that will deepen the final stew. Transfer seared fish aside. Once the fish is rested, you'll build the flavor base by sweating chopped onion, garlic, and bell pepper in the same pot. Those fond bits carry concentrated taste. Then deglaze with half a cup of white wine or stock to lift brown bits. Add a 14-ounce can of tomatoes and 2 cups of fish or vegetable stock to create the body. Add hearty vegetables and simmer 10-15 minutes so they soften. Make sure to return the fish in the last 6-8 minutes so it cooks gently and stays tender. You finish by tasting and adjusting seasoning, salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar or extra lemon if acidity needs balance. To thicken, whisk 1 tablespoon cornstarch into 2 tablespoons cold water and stir in, or mash a few cooked vegetables into the broth for body. Let the stew rest 5 minutes off heat so flavors meld. Garnish with fresh herbs and lemon before serving. If the fish breaks up, note to reduce simmer intensity and add fish later next time to preserve texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.